Welcome back for another video. My name is Adam from WPCrafter.com, where I make videos for non-techies, and I'm going to show you something really cool in this video. I'm going to show you how to get rid of those annoying update available messages for plugins that you either A, don't want to update, or B, maybe you bought a 1-year license, the license has expired, and now you're stuck seeing that there's an update available and you have to look at that forever. I'm going to show you how to disable that on a plugin by plugin basis. Okay, now this actually happened to me. There is a plugin, and this plugin went from a perfectly working version to a new version that it was a huge transition, a huge change. They removed features that were core features. A lot of things were broken, and so it was best to just not update. And you know, I don't want to have to sit here and look at these update notifications all the time. And plus, I have a tool that automatically is updating my WordPress site for me anyway. So I wanted to selectively not update this plugin. And that's what prompted me to make this video. So what this is going to involve is adding a custom function to your WordPress website. Okay, so first what you want to do is, let me just show you. Okay, I'm going to go to plugins. This is the plugin right here. And it even, I mean, to their credit, and I'm going to cut them a little slack here, to their credit, this is the version I'm on now, 2.7. To their credit, they made this huge notification here, and that is to their credit. However, the fact remains that most people, they might not, or a lot of people might not go here to do their update. They might just click on this or go to dashboard updates, and so they're not going to see this notice. And I don't want to update because the update is bad. It makes things not work anymore. And I don't want to have to look at this. So anyways, what I need you to do though is there's more than one way to add a custom function to your WordPress website. Now, a real easy way is to download this plugin called My Custom Functions. And that's the way I'm going to do it in this video. There's another way of doing it where you can add it to your themes files if you wanted. You would just go to Appearance, Editor, and then paste it into your themes function file. The way you would do that is just like this. Editor, and I have a child theme, so I would click on theme functions, and then I would paste it right in here. That's one way of doing it. The other way is with that plugin, you have this new option that says custom functions. So it depends on how you want to do it. It's up to you. Now I'm going to paste the custom function in, and then I'm going to try to explain it a little bit. So I'm going to just paste it in like this. Now I've already written this, and I can't take credit for this. I do like anyone else does. I searched on Google for a solution. I tested it. I made it so it would work for me, and that's it. So I've got this line here. This is really just a note. When you see these two slashes here, that means it's a note. And so here is the function, the whole thing. Now the only part that you would be changing is this little part right here. So this is the name of the plugin. And this is the file that is in the plugin that is the main file that gives all its information to WordPress. Now, this is the only challenging part of doing this. You need to find out the folder name of your plugin, and then you need to find out this file name. Now, most of the time, it's going to be the name of the plugin and then / the name of the plugin.php. Now, there's a couple ways for you to find this out. If it's a plugin that you say can download on WordPress.org, just go ahead and download it, and it's going to be a zip file. Unzip it, and the folder name, well, that's going to be the folder name right there. And then look at the files inside. More times than not, it's going to be the same name .php. But here's the thing, if I put this name in wrong, I'm trying a couple files, it's not going to break anything at all. So if you have to try 2 or 3 different files, it's not going to be that big of a deal. So I know for a fact, for this plugin, it's lifter LMS / lifter LMS.php. Okay, so now once I paste this in, and here's the thing, if you have more than one plugins that you want to remove this notification for, what you would do is you would highlight this line, put it in your clipboard, then you would hit the Enter key and then paste it in, but then try to line this up so it's perfectly formatted. And then you would just change this to be your second plugin that you don't want that update notice for. Now, like I said, this is good when an update's going to break something and you know this, or they've changed it and things aren't going to work the same, or you purchase something and you don't have access to updates anymore and you just don't want to be annoyed by it. It works great for that. Now, there is something to be said about staying up to date with updates that are out, and if there are security fixes and things like that, there's something to be said about that. So just bear that in mind when you're deciding if you want to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes, but I'm first going to get rid of this line. So before, it was prompting me for the update, and so when I click on Save Changes, this number should go from 3 to 2, and if I go to where it says Plugins, I shouldn't see it prompting me to update this plugin anymore. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. You see this went down to 2, and this went down to 2. Now when I click on Plugins, and I scroll down, you see it's no longer asking me to update, and it won't anymore. And this is actually a really good solution for me. I probably will update at some point, but it might not be for 6 months because I don't want to rock the boat. I need to thoroughly test it, and they need to maybe put some features back in and work out all the bugs. But anyways, this is all you have to do in order to block those update notifications. Now what I'll do is put a link down in the notes below, and it will take you over to my website, and I'll have the code right there where you can just highlight, copy, and paste it, and you can use it to hide those update notifications of plugins that you don't want to update or you don't have a license for anymore. Hey, before you go, I have something for you, and before I get into that, I wanted to ask you to do something for me. If you could give me a thumbs up on this video, and if you're not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button right beneath me. If you have a question on this video, I'd be happy to answer it. You can also leave a comment or a question down below this video. Hey, I put together a course just for you, and I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is click on the button right here on the right. It's called the 3 Steps to WordPress Success. It's an awesome course. You're gonna love it. I would love for you to join in and enroll as a student in this course. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I do it just for you.